In this tutorial, we will learn how to protect Word document in Office 2016. In my screen, I have a Word document. Move your mouse cursor over the File tab on the left corner of the window. Click on Save As and Browse option. Now you will get this Save As dialog box. In this window, type your document name in the file name box and click on the Tools drop-down button and choose General option. Here you can see File encryption option for this document. Type your password in the Password to Open box. If you want to set password to modify this document, then you can type your password in the Password to Modify box. For now, I am not gonna set password to modify this document, so click on OK button. Again, retype your password and click on OK button. Finally, click on Save button. Now, this document is protected by password. Next time, when you open this document, then it will prompt you to enter the password to open, and you have to type your password correctly. If you want to change the password of this document, then click on File tab, Protect Document, and click on Encrypt with Password. In this box, delete the previous password and type your new password and click on OK button. Again, retype the new password and click on OK button and save the document. You have changed the password of this document. Next time, when you open this document, then you must type your new password which you have set last time. If you want to remove the password of this document, then click on the File tab, Protect Document, and click on Encrypt with Password. In this box, delete the password and click on OK button and save your document. Now, your document is password free.